Not noticing the stopped traffic ahead, this rider suddenly realizes he's running out of time to react. Carrying a bit too much speed through this section and into the next corner, this rider is forced to react with very little room to work with.
Oh.
The rider and the car next to him are forced onto the brakes, just barely avoiding a driver cutting across oncoming traffic.
Yo! What the heck, bro?
Making the same mistake we've seen before, this rider goes wide in the corner and ends up off the road, but with even fewer options left. After being flagged down by an angry driver, this group of riders pulls over to hear what the issue is. He claims a rock was kicked up into his windshield, but as he explains what happened, the story doesn't quite add up.
You broke my window right now. My fucking dogs, my wife is with me, and my kids with me. No, I did it. Yes, you did. I got fucking witnesses, man. You want to call the cops? Where? They're not stupid. You're gonna call the cops on you, man. Yes, you did. When you cut us, when you cut his ass, yeah.
No, you didn't hit us.
Oh, my bad, bro. No, bro, I want your insurance. I want your insurance. That's all I want.
You didn't have no wreck.
Huh?
You didn't wreck.
No, you broke my window.
I didn't break shit.
You fucking rocks, dude. You fucking.
Let me see your window.
Oh, okay. Let me call the cops. See what
Let
happened.
me see your fucking window.
See my window.
Where?
Where? Don't have dumb. You like what you fucking did, man?
I don't.
Yeah, you did. Look. Shatter all over right here.
There ain't shit there, motherfucker.
Look inside. E. Call the cops, Papa. We got his plates anyways. You want to call it when I act stupid? We act stupid. And we got you on video too. Look at what? There's a little thing, but you guys f***ed up.
Okay, but that's the thing.
And over here too.
Listen,
okay?
hey, listen, bro. If I would have known, I would have stopped, bro.
No, I've been telling you bro to stop, and I've been following. And you saw me.
Okay,
you saw me telling you.
Man.
You saw me telling you. Right now I'm pissed off because look.
I know. Hey,
you could have caused an accident. If that rock would have been bigger.
I understand.
Okay, you guys are acting stupid driving up there.
I understand.
Acting stupid.
I know, man. I'm sorry.
And I know, hey, trust me. I drive motorcycles too. Okay, I know what it is to drive a bike.
Listen,
I don't act stupid like that.
Listen,
especially
bro.
when you're cutting people off like that.
Okay. Hey, I get it.
All right. I need insurance. That's all I want.
I get it.
And if the insurance doesn't want to cover it, hey, let it be. All right.
Take pictures of that because there ain't shit there.
Yeah. If the shit doesn't want to do it, f it.
He's just trying to scam you.
Oh yeah. Go for it. Leave. Papa, get on the car.
That's all he's doing. Trying to scam you. Don't listen to this motherfucker.
You want to sell scam? The reason I did this is because I want to get the point that what he did is wrong.
I know, hey.
Wrong.
I know, hey.
All right?
And
not because I want to
there
scam
ain't
him.
no damage to your car, dude.
It's a damage, dude. A little thing like that. That's gonna fucking fuck up things later on. Okay? If you have a fucking brand new Mercedes, you think that fucker's gonna let you go? If this car was a fucking Lamborghini, you think that shit was gonna be like that?
There ain't shit
no.
there, dude.
Okay, no. There is shit there. It is shit there. Okay? Videotape that shit. There is shit there. Okay? He fucked up. Man up.
So what do you think? Was this a legitimate claim, or was he just looking for an excuse to get a new windshield? Let me know what you think in the comments below. After a short break, this rider is back on the road. But suddenly up ahead, some rider makes a move no one can expect.
Yat yere uzat.
Some good awareness here, as the rider notices oncoming traffic overtaking and drifting a little too uncomfortably close. Keep your eyes on the Mini Cooper in the left lane. This is a perfect reminder of why you need to be careful in blind spots.
Better your brakes.
No, I didn't.
Y'all good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Is the throttle broke?
No.
Already shaken from the crash, this rider really makes things worse when he tries to regain control of the bike.
Brakes.
No, I didn't.
Y'all good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Is the throttle broke?
No. Everything's okay.
Dude almost killed me. Got off like pro though. Okay, I'm like.
I've seen your videos, by the way.
What?
Yeah.
My videos?
Mako?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Getting lit up while already messing around is one thing, but when the cops already know you from Instagram, that changes everything.
So the reason I'm stopping you is because you're not seated on your bike like you should be. So it's
Right.
driving. So if you fall, you're going to cause an accident, right? And then you're going to get hit and die. So if you fall, you're going to cause an accident, right? And then you're going to get hit and die. And I don't want that to happen. Gotcha?
I understand.
So you have your insurance on the bike?
Yeah. You know what? It might be in my files.
Okay. I've seen your videos, by the way.
What?
Yeah.
My videos?
Mako?
Yeah. Uh-oh. That's embarrassing. Is it? Are you talking about Deputy Marr and everything?
Sergeant Mark, but yeah. Yeah.
No! I don't want to be recognized.
Why do you think that to me?
Oh my god.
So when you moved over, like when you sat back down,
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna run. That's why they showed up. I was like, oh,
Oh no.
the black motorcycle run from me before, and so is she.
Well, I mean, there's a lot of black bikes.
Yeah, I know.
You like keep.
Sergeant Marr.
Yeah.
He had just hit a deer, and that's why his license plate wasn't in there.
Yeah. You're riding around no license plate.
You are correct. See the damage to the vehicle? Receiving a warning.
Warning for obscure.
License plate.
That one.
Yeah. I only started posting like 3 months ago.
Yeah, you got a good following so far.
Yeah. She caught me sitting on my bike sideways.
She did?
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
What?
You were sitting sideways?
I got a bunch of warnings from him. For like.
I'm gonna bring